If you get a message that looks urgent, stop for a moment. At this point, you might be panicking because you've got a message saying your bank account has been suspended, or maybe an email saying a £1,000 package is heading to an address that you don't recognise. Well, the panic you're feeling isn't an accident. We call it social engineering. Scammers don't just hack code these days, they hack you. They use fear, curiosity and urgency to bypass your common sense. Today, we're breaking the cycle. I'm going to show you how to spot a scam in seconds, how to verify any message, and one mindset shift that makes you unscammable. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We aim to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. First, let's look at the red flag checklist. Scammers are getting better with AI, but they still leave breadcrumbs. The sender's DNA. Look at the from field. Not just the name, but the actual email address too. If it says Netflix support, but then the email is user882@gmail.com or support@netflix-security.co with a capital I instead of a lowercase, it's fake. The generic greeting. Large corporations know your name. If you see Dear Customer or Valued Member or just your email address used as a name, be on high alert. The grammar gap. Professional companies have teams of copywriters. If you see weird capitalisation, missing full stops, or phrases like kindly do the needful or action must be took, another red flag. Although it is less common nowadays with how easy it is to get AI to write a professional looking email for you. And the big one's probably the urgency trigger. Your account will be deleted in 4 days. Final notice. Police are on their way.
Third notice? Final notice? Some guys are coming.
If a message makes you feel like you need to act before you think, almost certainly it's a scam. Alright, so maybe the email does look convincing. How do we verify it without clicking? The hover trick. Or hover bother if you like rhyming. This is your best friend. On a desktop, hover your mouse over any button or link, but don't click it. Look at the bottom left corner of your browser. If you're not on a browser, it should appear just where your cursor is too. It'll show you the real destination. If the button says log into bank, but the link goes to somewhere like bit.ly/bunch of random numbers, stay away. Then there's the 2FA trap. Scammers might call you and say, I'm sending a code to your phone to verify your identity, read it back to me. Never do this. That code is the scammer trying to log into your account and you're essentially giving them the key. And use the official channel rule. If you get a scary text from the IRS or Amazon, close the app, open your browser, type in the official website yourself and log in there. If there is a real problem, you'll see a notification in your secure dashboard. Never use the link provided in the message. We're less than a month away from OneConnect's Digital Confidence programme beginning. Click on the link below for all the info and to sign up. It's in person, it's free, it starts in March, it runs for 15 weeks, we've got structured learning classes every Tuesday and weekly drop-ins every Friday. Of course, it's not just email anymore. Smishing, SMS phishing, is exploding. You can extend that to things like WhatsApp and Telegram too. Have you ever gotten a text about a post office parcel that couldn't be delivered? No, they want your credit card for a redelivery fee. And then there's Vishing, voice phishing. Someone calls claiming to be from Microsoft support saying your computer has a virus. Look, no major tech company will ever cold call you to tell you your computer is broken. They don't have that kind of time. If they ask for remote access to your computer, hang up immediately. Now when you find a scam, don't just hit delete. Take these 3 steps to protect yourself and the community. Firstly, report it to the platform. In Gmail or Outlook, click the 3 dots and select Report Phishing. This helps their filters catch the scammer before they hit the next person's inbox. Then report to the authorities. In the US, go to FTC.gov. In the UK, forward scam text to 7726, and then of course block the sender and delete the thread. If you accidentally clicked a link, immediately change your passwords and run an antivirus scan. If you want more information about malware and scams, I actually did a video about this a couple of weeks ago. Here's your 30-second cheat sheet. Emotions are the enemy. If you feel rushed, slow down. Hover before you click. Verify the URL. Banks will not ask for PINs. They already have your info, they don't need to ask you for it. And when in doubt, throw it out.
Dawn, this is from head office.
I know.
How many times have I told you there's a special filing cabinet for things from head office?
You haven't told me.
It's called the waste paper basket. You're
Knowledge though is your best firewall. You now have the tools to navigate the web with confidence. Don't let the scammers win by playing on your fears. Get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check our website in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books and more. Check below for more information. If this video helps you feel more secure, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital safety guides. I want to hear from you. Have you ever seen any of these urgent scams lately? Leave a comment below to warn the rest of your community. And I'll see you in the next one.